What is up, nation? It is Wednesday, our strength con, right? It's going to be a 10-minute EMOM, so on minute 1, you're going to have 12 kettlebell swings. They're going to be American, so all the way up to the top, and then whatever time is remaining after that 12 in the minute, you have max push-ups. So hit those 12 kettlebell swings quick and fast. Coach Bray's going to demo that real fast. We'll deadlift it up, hip hinge, boom. Shooting up all the way to the top. Really be violent in that hip. And then from there, after you get done with that 12, we're going right to your max push-ups. Get as many as possible. You'll keep track of those push-ups. And then on minute 2, you're just going to be resting, right? Full recovery of rest. Should be, in a sense, try to bang out the same amount, or if not, a little bit more, right? That would be ideally is to get to the same amount that you have been. Try not to let that number decrease. And then our Metcon today, it's going to be a 15-minute AMRAP. So it's going to go 30 lunges, just 30 total, and then from there 30 sit-ups. After that, you're going to go into a 30-second farmer carry position wall sit. So Coach Briggs is going to take it. He's going to be demoing with a dumbbell today. So find a wall. You're going to be sitting. Legs are going to be at 90. From there, you're going to be in that farmer position. Notice from here, the shoulders are pinned back. Back is nice and flat, standing nice and tall on that upper part, and then the legs are at the 90. Right, from there you're gonna go, since it's 30 seconds, you'll go 15 on one side, 15 on the other, okay? If you do have 2 kettlebells or 2 dumbbells, use the 2 for the 30. If you only have 1, use for the 15 for the other side. And then from there for the Metcon, it goes back into 30 lunges, 30 sit-ups, and then from there you'll go into 30 seconds worth of a front rack position. So elbow nice and high, dumbbells resting on that shoulder, same format, back is nice and flat, squeezing against the wall, legs are at a 90, 15 on one side, and then switch over, 15 on the other. Then you'll go into 30 lunges again, 30 total, 30 sit-ups, and then finishing off with the 30-second overhead wall sit position. Right, notice too how he's holding it in the middle, Coach Briggs, right? If you're to hold it by the side, that dumbbell's kind of pushing us out. We don't want that. So want to stay nice and stacked, right? Nice and aligned, shoulder, dumbbell, backs, everything all up against the wall. Legs are still at 90. Holding that. That would be holding for the full 30 seconds. But we'll go through that. Our warm-up, it's going to be 3 rounds. You'll have 5 inchworms into 10 pillar planks, and then 12 Spider-Man rotations, right? So those inchworms, you walk out those hands, feet will come, walking close to our hands, staying straight as possible on those legs, and then into those 10 pillar planks, I'll drop my elbows down to the floor, press them up, right? If anything, you can come to your knees, right? Or if not, you can go back to that plank position and then drop one elbow at a time. So one elbow will come down and then raise one elbow at a time to come back up. And then from there, those 12 Spider-Man rotations, it's going to be each side. So you'll have 12 total. So I'll get into that Spider-Man position. Whatever hand is close to the inside of that foot, you'll rotate on up to the ceiling, right? Get the full rotation. Just don't try to swing your hand up and forward. And then you'll go right into 3 rounds of 8 scat push-ups. You'll be into that plank position, getting ready to do a push-up. From there, squeeze those scaps, press them out, moving those scaps all the way through. And then from there, 10-second push-up hold at the bottom, right? Squeezing our glutes, staying nice and tight in our lower half, squeezing the core. And then from there, you'll have 8 lunges with the twist. Lunge down, really get that full rotation. After that, once you get 8 lunges with the twist total, you'll have 10 seconds on each side of a quarter squat split hold. So just holding that lunge in a nice little quarter squat. Don't have to go all the way down. 10 seconds on one side, 10 seconds on the other. And that would be our warm-up.